Okay, welcome back. Let's take a look at the last part, I guess problems 26 to 32 is what we're going to take a look at. Okay, so a little bit more about triangle congruence. So when we're looking at this problem, I'm trying to find out if they gave me enough information. So the first thing we have is that these are parallel. And so if they're parallel, there's a lot of pieces of information that I could grab, like alternate interiors. I've got vertical angles. I've got all sorts of fun little things that I could add. But it also says that BC, this one, bisected AD. So notice BC is like the knife and AD is the one that got cut. So if that guy got cut, it got cut specifically in half. So that is definitely true, but I would actually use the ASA theorem for that, although you absolutely could use AAS if instead of marking this angle, you would mark, say, this angle down here, which would also be congruent because this is also a valid transversal. Okay, number 27, we could come in here and pop this in because of vertical angles. And now they're definitely congruent again because we have AAS. You could say SAA, and that would be equivalent as well. Remember, the ones that we don't want to do is we don't want to do angle side side, and we don't want to do AAA. Those are the bad guys. We're looking for three letters, but we cannot ever have those two. 28, oh, this is a really nice one because we have a shared segment, which means we definitely have 1, 2, 3 sides in both. And when that happens, we have triple S. Over here, kind of a sneaky little sucker because we have 120 degrees. So 50 and 70 would make 60, and 70, 60 is 130, which means that's 50. So these are definitely congruent triangles. So they definitely work. And in fact, you could use ASA if you used angle side angle, the 50, the 70, and the spot in the middle. Or you could use AAS if you use the, let's say you use the 60 and the 50 and the side off to the, those would both be true. I personally prefer ASA. And I think that's where I have to stop this one at number 29 because I've got a class coming in. So I'll finish those last couple of questions in a little bit. See you later. Bye-bye.